otshintshayo.
If ever there is someone who is changing,
Umuntu.
it's a human being.
Umuntu.
A human being.
Uyatshintsha.
A human being changes.
Makulomuntu otshintshayo.
If ever there is someone who is changing,
Umuntu.
it's a human being.
Umuntu uyatshintsha.
A human being.
Umuntu.
A human being.
Uyatshintsha
A
umuntu.
human being changes.
Wena.
You.
Uyatshintsha wena.
You change.
Makulomuntu
If
otshintshayo.
ever there is someone who is changing,
Umuntu.
it's a human being.
Uyatshintsha wena.
You are changing.
Izolo.
Yesterday,
Izolo.
just yesterday,
Ungagqokanga so wena.
you are not dressed like this.
Namhlanje utshintshile.
Now you have changed.
Uyatshintsha.
You change.
Makulomuntu otshintshayo.
Whenever there is someone who is changing,
Umuntu.
it's a human being.
Ifoni yakho leyonayo.
The phone that you are currently carrying,
Awusayifuni.
you no longer want it
Manje awunamali.
because you don't have money.
Akuthenga
You
iPhone
can't afford
15.
to buy an iPhone
Kodwa
15.
le awusayifuni.
But this one that you are carrying, you
Ufuna
don't want it.
ukutshintsha.
You want to
Ngoba
change
uyatshintsha wena.
because you are changing.
Wena
You,
i-boyfriend leyonayo
the boyfriend you have, you
awusayifuni.
no longer want him.
Ufuna ukutshintsha.
You want to replace him.
Makulomuntu otshintshayo.
If ever there is someone who is changing,
Umuntu.
it's a human being.
Imoto ohamba ngayo.
The car that you are driving,
Awusayifuni.
you no longer like it.
Ufuna
You
ukutshintsha.
want to change.
Uyatshintsha
You are
wena.
changing, ever changing.
Makulomuntu otshintshayo.
If ever there is someone who is changing,
Umuntu.
it's a human being.
Uyatshintsha.
You are changing.
Phela wena
You
wawungakhonzi la.
are not worshiping here.
So watshintsha.
You changed
Wabuya la.
and you came here.
Ende ukhonapha.
As you are here,
Ufuna ukutshintsha
you
futhi.
also want to change
Ngale.
and go and worship
Ngoba
in the other
uyatshintsha.
because you are ever changing.
Uyatshintsha wena.
You are ever changing.